Still losing hair no matter what you try? Everyone's talking about peptides, but is it hope or just a hype? Let me clear the air. Take it as simple as it is. Take peptides as tiny messengers that tell your scalp, hey, time to grow some hair. Hey, it's time to grow some hair. They boost your blood flow, reduce inflammation, and wake up those lazy hair follicles. One study found that those collagen peptides helped mice grow thicker hair. Okay, it's a study done in mice, but it's a start. Here's the truth. Peptides might help, but they are not as proven as minoxidil or PRPs. But they don't have much side effects, so you can try it, but don't expect magic overnight. Let us know if it works for you in the comments below. If you want science-backed hair growth tips, we got you. Follow healthy info, we bust the myths and bring you the facts.